This is an overview of Chrome Delete along with some install tips and tricks. Chrome Delete comes in multiple sizes and lengths, and there are 3 finishes to choose from: gloss, satin, and matte, and only premium cast film from Avery Dennison 3M are used. The front of the box indicates the brand of material, and the sides have a swatch which shows the finish in the box. Open the box of Chrome Delete at the top and pull the rollout that comes in a clear protective bag, and the film is held in a plastic spool. Also in the box is a product bulletin for more information. Remove the spool from the bag and release the tab on the edge of the film. Put the spool back in the box, being sure to let one tab fold out. Shut the top, and now the box of Chrome Delete acts as a dispenser which keeps the film in pristine condition. Now it's time to prep the chrome for wrapping. First, put a squeegee in a high-quality microfiber towel and spray the corner with a degreaser like 70% isopropyl alcohol. Then clean all the edges in a 360-degree loop. Then finish by wiping the main area. The final step of prep is going over the chrome with a heat gun to make sure the edges are 100% dry. With the prep finished, pull the film out of the Chrome Delete box and be sure to give a little extra material on the sides so that it gets full coverage during the install. Once the length is determined, let the film hang tension-free out of the box, then cut the piece away. Be sure to leave a section of the film hanging out of the box to make it easy for the next section. Put on the application glove and start from one side of the chrome. A good tip is to leave the liner on. This does 2 things. It keeps the adhesive side clean and the bottom edge perfectly straight. Since Avery Dennison and 3M are premium cast films, they can be easily picked on and off the surface. This allows for the bottom edge of the Chrome Delete to be perfectly lined up with the bottom edge of the chrome. Precision here is key, as it means that, if done right, there'll be no cutting required at the bottom of the edge. With the piece on, round the body line at the top with a finger so the transition from vertical to the horizontal section of the chrome is smooth. Take the buffer side of the squeegee and tuck the film into the molding at the top. Once set, then switch to the hard side of the squeegee to get the Chrome Delete even closer to the molding. Then the final stage is to use a micro squeegee so it's fully set up for cutting. And for the bottom of the chrome, if it was set up properly, all that needs to be done is simply run a finger to round the film under the edge, use the felt side of the squeegee to seal the deal, and then the hard side of the squeegee to make sure the film is fully in place for long-term hold. Now it's cutting time, and always click the blade first to make sure it's extra sharp. For vertical edges, keep the blade at a 90-degree angle. This will ensure full coverage. When starting out on the horizontal sections, be sure to cut in stages to get a good feel on how the material is cutting up against the molding. If the film is tucked in properly, the edge of the blade will be held securely by the edge of the rubber. Once this section has been cut, pull the excess film up and away from the chrome to prevent tearing. Then on the long straight sections, these can be cut at a nice steady flow. The key is to let the sharp blade do the cutting and have a light touch on the knife. This will make for a clean cut and avoid any damage to the rubber if the blade happens to run up along it during the cut. With the cutting done, it's important to finish strong to ensure that it holds up to all the elements. Take a heat gun and, with an application glove or a squeegee, go over the chrome to make sure that there are no bubbles and that all the edges are 100% sealed. The heat also activates the adhesive so it sticks extra strong, and this means the chrome is now fully done and you're ready to wrap and roll. And if Chrome Delete ever has to be taken off, it'll come off very easily because premium film was used. Just simply add a little heat and no adhesive residue will be left behind. Chrome Delete has a wide variety of sizes which can accommodate any part of the car. This means the front grille can be transformed in one piece, as well as the back area of the car, like the bumper and trunk. And of course, the side molding around the windows and door handles can be Chrome Deleted easily. To purchase Chrome Delete and to transfer your car or a customer's car today, you can go to chrome-delete.com. This video is proudly produced by the Wrap Institute.